If you still have hail damage, you can schedule your appointment today. Have your hail damage go from this to this. You can get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. Hi everybody, Charlie here at the ReCon Shop. Behind me we have a 2015 Dodge Ram with some pretty heavy hail damage. We're going to be repairing this today using paintless dent repair. I'm going to go ahead and get started on this truck by removing the hood and getting it secured to a stand, and I'll show you what it looks like with our PDR lights on it. Now it's secured to a stand, and using our PDR lights, it really shows up all the damage that's on there. We're going to be using these PDR lights while we're repairing the damage. Let's get a close-up of this repair process. Although when we do use heat, we only use it to make the panel warm enough to work the metal back into its original position. And of course we save the factory paint by working each dent individually one at a time until the entire vehicle is hail damage free. This was a pretty intense dent on an aluminum panel, but as you can see here, it came out fantastic. Paintless dent repair is the best way to have your vehicle's hail damage repaired because we save your factory paint, which keeps the vehicle as original as possible and preserves the highest value of your vehicle. If you'd like to make a hail damage or paintless dent repair appointment, look us up at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL.